guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shannon. I am the founder of Oso, which is a hair tools and accessories brand. If you are not new here, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to expand on Shopify. So you guys know that I recently covered my favorite Shopify apps in order to help you increase sales. But in today's video, I want to cover what I really love about Shopify and my favorite features and little tips and tricks of Shopify that actually made me in love with Shopify and why I choose Shopify over other platforms. So if you're interested in learning why you should choose Shopify as your shop provider, definitely stay tuned to the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up and let's just get straight into it. So here I am inside my Shopify and I'm going to share with you guys obviously my favorite features. The first one is the home page of Shopify. Now this is something that you get on your Shopify app and on the desktop version of Shopify. So I'm showing you guys my desktop version, and what I really love about the app is it's similar to like a social networking site kind of, because it changes all the time and it gives you updates on how your store is doing and kind of like insights on what you can do to make it better. So as you can see here, it tells me that my store is getting a lot of traffic and it's in the top 3% of stores that launch the same week as you. So imagine when you're feeling maybe a bit down about your business or your store, when you see something like that, it's going to make you feel really, confident and more excited about pushing through. So I love this about the Shopify homepage. It also tells you about new apps and stuff that you may want to use for your store. It tells you where all of your social networking referrals came from, and it will tell you certain things about customers that are spending the most on your store and customers that you may want to retarget. But obviously I'm not going to show you that part, but if you just scrolled through, you'll be able to see more things, as it says here, returning customers that haven't made a purchase recently, and then you can take action and do something with that information. So that is the first thing that I love about Shopify. Now the next thing I want to show you is probably my favorite part of Shopify, and this is the live view, guys. So as you can see here, if you have a sale on your website, this is so fun to watch. So when it's Black Friday, you probably would have seen a lot of people share on their Instagram or their YouTube channel, them like coming onto the live view of Shopify and watching all of the sales come through. This is really cool to do because last Black Friday, I was able to see like who was checking out, who actually then converted into a customer, and it was just flowing and you could just see the numbers going up and up and up, and then the sales coming through. Here it will tell you the total sales, how many orders, the locations people are from. Right now there's no one on my store, but if you go through the globe, you will see little like circles pop up, and that will show you where people are shopping on your website, which is so cool. And then it shows you where you are. Yeah, love the live view. It's definitely one of the best features of Shopify. Next is your customers segment. Now this is something that I only just discovered myself the other day. Like I knew you could segment on like your email marketing platform, but I didn't know that you could do it within Shopify. As you can see here, it has all of my customers that have shopped via Shopify, and you can create a segment. So say I wanted to create like a VIP customer program, what I could do is I could segment my customers by the amount of orders that they've made. So I could say number of orders, and I could say is greater than, say, 5. So if anyone has ordered from us more than 5 times, this is going to show me who. As you can see here, we have 20 customers that come up. So now that I have their details and I can see how much they've spent, I can go ahead and maybe even just reach out to them by email and just give them an email and say, hey, like, you're a VIP customer of ours, you've ordered more than 5 times, I'd like to da 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 da. Or you could add them to a separate email list. So you could add all of these emails into a VIP email list, and then you use that email list to send emails in the future when you just want to target your VIPs. Really, really love that. As you can see here, you can segment into people that are email subscribers and more. So love that part and that feature of Shopify. Next is your online store and the themes for the store. So when you first start your Shopify store, you will see I have a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up a Shopify store. But at any time, in any point, you can change the look of your store via the editing section here. So if you customize your website, you'll be able to change colors and stuff, or you can just do a whole new theme. And the themes on Shopify are really, really good. They have a lot of great free themes, and then you can shop around and actually buy themes as well. There is an actual theme website, Shopify Themes, and here you can browse through some of the free ones. As you can see, they have a few new ones now, which are just so professional, so good looking. My theme is free, and my website is pretty decent. I mean, it could be better, but for a free theme, I think it's good. You know, I still get sales coming in, but I definitely want to invest in one of the paid themes in the future. So you could definitely browse through those. And also you can actually preview them. So I'm going to go ahead and preview this one. This is one that is a paid theme that I kind of was checking out and may use in the future. You can see here, it's really nicely put together. You can actually see it with your products as well. So if I was to go to the shop section, I love this layout so much, guys. I really want to get this layout soon. So we could go ahead and shop. And I just like how it has the images here at the bottom. This is like your typical shop page that you've probably been familiar with on other websites. The layout is very, you know, typical e-com. I love it. It's definitely something I want to do and invest in the future. The theme store, another great feature of Shopify. Next is your app store. Again, I have videos that feature my favorite Shopify apps, but here I'm just going to show you guys that it's customized as well. So it is of course connected to your store. So as you can see here, it says our name, Oso Curly, and then it will also have ideas for Oso Curly. So here it's come up with some ideas of apps that it thinks that we may benefit from. So those are those there, and then you can have a look at what the most popular apps are at the moment in the spotlight, growing your business and so on. So this is what really makes Shopify stores, and in my opinion, Shopify, the best platform, the apps that you can add to your store just to make your store even more professional and just even more ways to increase your sales and your conversions. So those are my features that I love of Shopify on desktop. But what I love about Shopify on your phone is the fact that you can add a widget to your actual phone page. So as you can see here, I have my weather widget, I have my Bible widget, and then I have my Shopify widget. I really like that. The fact that you can just scroll to the side and I'll be able to see, you know, what's happening with my store, how many visitors, how many sales. And then on the app is amazing. You can edit your store from the app. And obviously the best thing that all of us sellers love about Shopify app is the ka-ching that you get when you get a sale coming through. Unfortunately, I haven't had a sale come through while I'm filming this, so you won't be able to see it. But I'm sure if you just have a look through some of my past Black Friday videos, you'll see the ka-ching come through, and I'm sure you can find it on other people's TikToks and videos and all kind of stuff. So yeah. So if you are interested in Shopify, I will leave the 14-day free trial link down below. I hope you enjoyed watching. Subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.